go ahead.
Chief 95-2.
Chief 95, go ahead.
You have all your personnel accounted for?
Correct, we have full par.
Command 69 Chief, we're going to reposition Serenum's ladder. We're going to start pulling the siding from the outside up in the east. County 69 Chief.
Chief 69.
Do a par check on all companies, please.
Fire dispatch. Command 56, do you have par for 56 companies? Fire dispatch 56, do you have par?
2056 has par.
56 has par. 69, do you have par?
69's got par.
281, do you have par? Fire dispatch 281.
281 has par.
233, do you have par? Fire dispatch 233, do you have par?
233 has par.
235, do you have par?
235 with par.
282, do you have par?
282 has par.
95, do you have par?
95 has par.
Fire dispatch Q69, all companies have par.
Receive, thank you, County.
Fire dispatch, engine 216, in with 5.
Engine 216 received.
Fire dispatch 233, utility 320.
That's received.
C20, truck 1. C20 from truck 1.
Fire dispatch C20.
Command, go ahead.
C20, truck 1's trying to reach you.
Truck 1, go ahead. You operating line to this? Get ready. Try to find your water now, Dan. Engine 4 is going to feed you a line, Dan. He might be a 40-inch. 281 red from 69 Chief. Go ahead, Brennan. We got guys going to the Alpha side. I need you on the front side, please. Alpha. We got people going into Charlie. County 69 Chief.
Chief 69.
Give me another routine to this location.
That's received.
Command C40. Good. All of the third floor just lit off. Yeah, we're here. 282 truck from 69 Chief. 69 Chief from C40. C40, you got everybody out of the structure. We're going to hit it from with the aerial. This is no good. Okay. I'll do a face-to-face. C40, evacuate. Yeah, we're coming out. Chief 69, 281. Go ahead, 281. Charlie, cruiser, have exited. Lieutenant 69 from Chief.
Fire dispatch, engine 216 is on scene.
Engine 216.
Yeah, babe. Get your crew and get out of that structure.
What's going on? All units operating 6th Avenue, New Kensington. You're going to evacuate the structure. All units operating 6th Avenue, New Kensington, evacuate the structure.
69 Chief, fire up. Truck Captain 56 from 69 Chief, what's your location? Command, who you called? Disregard. Highland truck, adjust your nozzle up just a little bit. Brennan, where are you at? Alpha.
Fire dispatch, command 56.
Go ahead for command.
You're 1 hour into your incident.
Received.
Engine 78's no way. Engine 78.
Jump off. Command from 233 truck. We're ready to go to work. It's an aerial device.
Command 235 truck, command, bring your fresh ties to the Alpha side of the structure. County 69 Chief.
Chief 69.
Who was that other routine you got coming?
Engine 78's on the road.
Received.
Fire dispatch, command 56.
Go ahead, dispatch.
West Penn's on location. They're trying to find you so you can direct them to what you need from them. West Penn's currently located near the railroad tracks by your truck 1.
That's received. Fire dispatch from command 56. West Penn Power has been contacted, and let them know what to do.
Command 56 received. Fire dispatch 56C13. Are you taking command?
That's received.
Passport.
233, I need you to get there and start that down.
Truck 1, shut down. 10-6-4, shut down the high truck.
Fire dispatch C20.
C20, good.
Contact the Red Cross. I have an undisclosed amount of people going to need assistance.
Captain 56-4, truck 1. Go ahead. Shut the truck down for a minute. Repeat that. Shut the truck down.
Fire dispatch C20. Can you give me an approximate head count of number of adults and children?
Not at this time, County. As soon as I get a head count, I'll call you.
That's received.
All ladder pipes working. Please shut down. Per command, 56.
Command, just confirming all exterior lines shut down?
Yes, all exterior lines shut down.
7-8, approaching.
What's going on? All exterior lines operating 6th Avenue, New Kensington. Command request you to shut down.
78, you're on RIT. I need you to the Alpha side ASAP. Alpha for RIT.
Appreciate that. 7-8, on
Engine 78.
Red Alpha Delta corner.
Command, can we get a saw to the Bravo side? We got fire on this first floor coming out the wall. 69 Chief from C40.
Go ahead, C40.
Are we okay to go in or no? Everything's shut down, Alan. You got fire through the roof coming up on the Alpha Bravo side.
Receive.
233, can you get yourself a little bit higher?
I want to come level out and squirt up. Fire dispatch from Command 56. We got crews entering the second floor, going to get to the third floor.
That's received. Crews re-entering. Second going to third.
Command 280 truck. Where do you get it? 280 truck repeat. 233 truck. Where did you want us to put the ladder? He wanted us to go above it.
Command 281.
Go ahead, 281.
Just offering from our vantage point, 233 is in an excellent position for that third floor. It's all run through on the Bravo Charlie corner.
I have guys up in there. Do not open up on that.
Fire dispatch C20.
C20.
Red Cross notified. We gave them your contact information. They should be contacting you within the next 2 hours.
All right, County. Right now, the head count stands at about 5 or 6.
That's received.
235, Chief 78 is coming over for Red.
Command, be advised. We have aerial confirmation on the 4 Boeing in on 3rd Division.
That's received. 2nd Division Command.
Command, go ahead.
Have you guys made progress in that 3rd Division yet?
3rd floor, Command. We're making a hit on it. Hang on a minute. 10-4, making a hit on it. We got it.
2nd or 3rd Division from Command.
Go ahead.
Evacuate the structure.
What's going on with all units operating 6th Avenue, New Kensington? Command requests you evacuate the structure. All units operating 6th Avenue, evacuate.
One channel. I'm probably going to have to go up. A lot of that fire is behind that peak now. I can also swing to my left and stay level. Yeah, I see it.
Command from 95. You just had a crew of 4 enter from the Charlie side, 1st Division.
56, Command, 69, Chief. Go ahead, 69, Chief. Is everybody out so we can hit this? There's a crew on C side. Fire dispatch, C20.
C20 good.
Contact Harrison Township, DBC, Citizens Hose over here for Red.
Citizens hose for received.
That's Flowers. Thank you.
Engine 4, charge the yellow 300.
Water's coming on yellow.
69, Chief, 282, Chief.
For mutual aid, the Westmoreland County to 536th Avenue in New Ken for a residential structure fire. Station 167, you've been added to the assignment for RIT. Respond on TAC 3, 228.
Engine 4, I need more pressure on that yellow line. Engine 4, give me some more pressure on that yellow 300. There's over on the 3rd Division. Watch that roof. It's burning pretty good on the outside.
69, Chief, from 282, Chief.
Go ahead.
Give me a crew to the rear of the structure. I'm trying to get them on this porch roof, get the wall opened up above us here.
You're going to have to go through command.
Go for command.
Command from 282, Chief. Can I get a crew to the rear of the structure with hooks to get on the back porch roof to open up the wall back here?
All right, let me find some people. Fire dispatch, command 56.
C-20, go ahead.
C-20, you are 1 hour, 30 minutes into your incident.
10-4 County.
Command from C-40. C-20.
C-20, go ahead.
Hey, Bruce, we're getting a good hit up here on the 3rd Division. How's it looking?
You got it knocked down pretty good. Still got a lot of smoke.
Yeah, we got a good hit on it.
Division B's looking pretty good.
Command from 281.
281, go ahead.
People's Gas is with us on the Charlie. He's confirming gas off the meters. Can't locate the curb box. He's making sure that you don't want to do anything with the delta exposure.
But having the power company pull the power off that house right now, as far as the gas goes, I'd leave it alone for now.
He copies. Joey.
Yeah.
Are you shooting us through the wall?
What's that?
Are you guys hitting anything in the wall going up to the 3rd?
Off ceiling right now. We can start opening these walls up.
Okay, because we're going to be hitting the outside wall here, and the water's going to come down at you.
Command from Chief 95. Yeah, Chief.
Copy. 2 days.
Be advised, the crew that was operating on the 1st Division roof on Charlie, they are now entering 2nd Division through the windows.
10-4.
The C-20.
168 County, you're on the air. You copy on the standby station.
C-12, go ahead.
Unit call C-20. Request for standby on the station for 280 Chief in reference to the structure fire. Station 168 for 280 Chief. Request on standby on the station to cover the AK Valley. 240. 168 acknowledges.
C-40 from T-78.
Fire dispatch C-20.
Go ahead.
Chief 78's trying to reach you.
Chief 78, go ahead.
It's C-40. I'm trying to get a hold of Division 3.
C-40, go ahead, Division 3.
How are you making out up there?
Yeah, we got a good hit on it. I mean, it's hot. We just got to let it down real good.
Do you need anything else up there, Hook? Guys, what?
County 167, rescue engine en route over to Westmoreland.
Rescue engine 167 received. Fire dispatch 167, you'll be contacting Chief 69 for your RIT assignment.
Negative. They'll be contacting command.
And for Chief, 167, you'll be contacting command.
County 167, copy, direct. 167 from 56 command. Good. Whenever you come up 7th Street, come straight down Constitution Boulevard, you can pull up behind the ambulances. Ready,
340 from Deputy 78. 340 from Deputy 78.